probably going to stop. God. It's like the end of the world. The lightning. The radio has all been off. AM and FM, all static, all day. And look at, once again, there it is, Saturday evening. I am in Tilson, right by the postage inn. And I just can't believe the sky. Look at it. It's like Wars of the World. We're under attack. Take shelter. It's over, folks. All the humanity. It's kind of creepy. Just look at that. This is no Spielberg effects here. This is the real thing. As I go, the car is blinding me. This is through my windshield. I can't take it outside, I'll get soaked. Oh my God. My God. There were some lightning bolts that you had to see to believe. I'm scared to go further. Jesus. Okay, come on. This is like the fireworks. The finale. Jesus. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. There's something going on and they're not telling us. It's starting to worry me. There's just something going on. I feel like I live inside a microwave. Oh. I better put my windshield wipers back on. I have a cleaner, They caught me listening to country. I don't know if that's bad or good. Alright. Should I keep this going? Oh! I wish I had a better horizon view, but I just couldn't seem to find one. I'm just getting tired of trying to look where there's no trees. Alright, you get the idea. I'll turn this off. Okay, I'm back just for a second. A few more. Oh! Did you see that? I'm glad I turned it on. That was a lightning bolt. Probably approximately in my neighborhood. Jesus. Look at that. I don't know, man. I'm getting spooked. This is kind of weird. We're under attack. I think I just saw sparks. Jesus.